Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Analytic Classes, and today we are going to discuss two important functions of Excel 365. First is percent of function, and second one is ifs function. So now here we have one mark sheets of a student, and the student got these marks for like Hindi for 76, English is 87, Math 88, Science 65, and General Knowledge is 78. So these are the marks obtained, and their full marks is also there. So based on these marks obtained and full marks, we need to calculate percentage, overall percentage of the student. So for this we can use percent of function because we are using Office 365. So how we can use? We can press equal to here. Then we can apply percent of. So here you can see the percent of function. So now we need to apply a bracket here. Then we can select marks obtained like data subset. So we can select marks obtained. Then we can use comma. And then next argument is full mark. So if we use this percent of function and if we select here like marks obtained and full marks here, so what percent of will calculate here? Percent of calculate overall percentage. So you can press 100 to calculate proper percentage. So now here you can see that the student got 79% based on their marks. Okay. So now we have one more criteria, that is result criteria, and result criteria is this, like greater than equal to 80. Then in that case, student will have A plus grade. Then if a student got greater than equal to 70, then A, and then greater than equal to 60, then B, and else C. So how we can apply this function through ifs in Excel? So here you can see that I am going to press equal to here. Then we can write here IFS, ifs. Then we can apply a bracket. We need to open a bracket here. Then after open the bracket, then we can select this percentage. Okay. If it is greater than equal to 80, in that case, what would be the result? A plus. If it is not satisfied, then what happened? Then again, this formula search this percentage. Then the function is greater than equal to 70. In that case, a student will have the A grade. After that, now if it is not satisfied, then again this function select this percentage and now find for greater than equal to 60, and then for this it is B. Okay. Now, if it is less than 60, in that case, again, I am going to select this and select if it is less than 60. In that case, what would be the answer? Answer would be C. Okay. Now we can close the bracket here, and after that you can press the enter. So here you can see that this Rajkumar Singh got A grade result based on his percentage. Okay. Now this is Rajkumar Singh. It's done. Now I want to select another student, that is Ajay Kumar. Okay. So for this Ajay Kumar, class is 10. Section would be suppose B. Okay. And now if I want to change this number, so like this is 88, this is 90, this is 88, this is 75, then 78. So in that case, total percentage will be 84 and the result will be A plus. So by this way, we can create mark sheet of any student using percent of and if function. So thank you for watching this video.